What's up, guys? Welcome back. Yes, I'm wearing my goofy Meta glasses. I wish they had a style that made me look good, but I'm with Johnny over here from Boosted Beamers. We got another 2021 BMW X3M competition. This one is poised just like the last one that he brought in for making good power. What do we have done to this thing, Johnny?
This is a stage 3 engine build with a stage 2 pure transmission build, a 7675 next gen precision turbo, 4-inch downpipe, a nitrous system hooked up that hopefully by the end of these runs will get dialed in, intake manifold and all your goodies. No icebox, but we're hoping that the nitrous will make up for that. We're gonna start with the 75 shot, see how that works, see how the car takes it.
In addition to the goodies that Johnny just listed before, this thing also has a Valvetronic titanium exhaust system. So let's see what this thing makes on the hub. First pull on the dyno. Car made 1,034 horsepower, 782 foot-pounds of torque. Was that about where you were hoping to see it start?
That's what it felt like too.
Nice, dude. You always bring over some really healthy BMWs, I'll tell you what. Nice work. Similar to that 1,500 horsepower X3M competition that Johnny brought over, we're having Samé from Samé Tuned do the remote tuning for us. Always had good results with him in the past, so we're going to stick with that naturally. Second pull on this bad boy, 1,081 horsepower, 813 foot-pounds of torque. So picked up about 50 wheel horsepower on that. Nice amount of torque as well. We're at 782, now we're at 813. Beautiful. Third pull, 1,100 horsepower, 818 foot-pounds of torque. Nice gains once again. What do you think so far, Johnny?
Slowly but surely, we're getting there. I think he's obviously going in the right direction.
What again your goals on this thing?
I personally am hoping for about mid-1300s. It's a little bit smaller turbo than the last car we did. That one had a 8080. This is a 7675, so smaller, a little bit smaller all around, better spool for street driving. So nobody's really done any testing on these motors with this size turbo, so hopefully we're the ones that are going to do that and see what it makes.
All right, so it seems this is where we're going to end today. The 1,100 mark is the best number that they made. This seems to be as much steam as it has. We were going to maybe play with some nitrous today, but he's got an 82 millimeter that he wants to slap on here and come back. They got plans, as they say. So that's where we're going to end this video and this build's tuned today, but you can expect to see Johnny and Boosted Beamers back here soon with not only this, but some other projects as well. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time.